Hello! In this video, we can see how to enable the microphone permissions on the Trupeer platform on Chrome browser. From the login page, enter the login details, then click on the login button to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a What's New announcement modal. Go ahead and close that to continue. Next, click on Start Recording. You'll be prompted with some recording tips, so confirm those. It redirects to the Chrome Web Store. Afterward, click on Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension to install the necessary browser tool. With the extension now activated, it shows confirmation window. Then head back to your dashboard. Click Start Recording again. A prompt regarding microphone access will appear. Select Review Permissions to proceed. It redirects to the Settings pages. Inside that, find the microphone permissions and set it to Allow for the Trupeer extension. This will ensure the tool has the access it needs. If even it's selected default, make sure it in Allow state and one more permission needed. Next, go to your system's privacy and security settings. Here, click on the microphone section and make sure to toggle on microphone access. This allows desktop apps to use your microphone. Then go back to the Trupeer page. Refresh the entire page then. Click Start Recording one more time now that the microphone is successfully detected. Finally, you can enable the microphone permissions on the Trupeer platform. Thank you.